My God, see groove. Make una dey see groove, my people. Guys, wetin dey happen? Na MC Oluomo be dis o. Guess where im dey so? Na inside church. Na inside church. See groove face. See now, see groove face. Wetin dey happen? Dis guy dey everywhere. Dis guy dey everywhere. Inside church, inside mosque, e dey enter club, e dey everywhere. Small time, e go dey campaign, go dey run election things. But no be the news be that o. The gist wey I get una be say dis guy fit be our next president. E shock you abi? Na so e shock me too o. I go prove am to you. I dey come, make I drink water, I dey come. See groove. Hey. Okay guys, welcome back. Abeg make una also try to like our channel. Make una dey subscribe, dey follow us. We get better gist. So as we dey talk now, MC Oluomo fit be Nigeria next president. Dis thing na pattern. We no know. All dis thing they don plan am down, but we no know. As I get one picture wey I see, na im I take draw the pattern. I come dey try relate, dey reason things as e dey go. I know say something is about to happen. Una dey see groove, my guy go church. Una dey see as e dey happen. Now, talking about church, the guy comot for this place, he still go another church. I dey tell you, make I show you where Iya Adura, that is Prophet Esther, call am out when MC Oluomo visit the church. Make you watch am. Na the next video I go show you now. When I dey cool down, I dey come. Guys. So that is Prophetess Esther. Now they call Oluomo out. They talk to her. Say, "Na my pikin be this." They let am dey know say as things dey go, any ambition wey im get, dem go support am. They release words of inspiration, prayer, every on top am as e dey go. Now, wetin dey be the pattern? This pattern wey we dey see be say MC Oluomo wan hand over. There is person wey wan take over from the guy. Now, the popular belief be say na Kudeti suppose take over. Kudeti don tey with am. I go show you na that picture. Kudeti don tey, but nobody know say between Kudeti and Oluomo another lion dey inside. This guy, he don dey with them o. Tey don dey. Mustapha Sego.
Orúkọ mi Alhaji Mustapha Adekunle aka Sego, I'm the state treasurer NRTW Lagos State Council.
In fact, na him gone to the shocker of everybody, as in everybody, Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, everybody shocked when MC Oluomo hand over to who? Tafazego, the fair guy. Tafazego, na the guy MC Oluomo hand over. Now he's raising hand saying, "I'm be second in command." Guess what? The guy wey dey beside Tamo, na him be Kudeti. Kudeti don tey. Everybody believes in Kudeti, but na lie, e no work like that. Now, if you look this picture very well, I dey laugh. This thing na plan, na game, na pattern. Look am very well. Now, for front, na President Tinubu dey there. Now, this picture was taken before Tinubu become president to make you understand as e dey go. Now, Tinubu don become president. If you look behind Tinubu, na MC Oluomo dey there. The person wey dey behind MC Oluomo na Tafa Sego. The person wey dey behind Tafa na Kudeti. The person wey dey beside Kudeti, dat man wey wear black cap wey dey look so, I no wan talk, if I talk im name wahala go burst for dis house. Den the person wey put hand for the man shoulder wey wear blue cap, bros, dis thing na pattern. Go check their names, check their faces, you go know sey all dis thing dey don plan am down. So what am I saying, ladies and gentlemen? Anything can happen. MC Oluomo fit be Nigeria's next president. Go and mark it, I dey tell you. Oh yes. Guys, MC Oluomo for Nigeria president. What do you think? Oya now, hit the comment button make we see as e dey go. Thanks guys.